Located in Calatagan, Batangas, CG Villa was designed to be an addendum structure to the client's existing home and would house wellness activities and social gatherings for family and friends. The villa's footprint was designated in an existing clearing between the grid of mango grove clusters to establish a linear program space enveloped by nature. The vertical gestures of the tree lines were the initial cue of the designers to highlight two bold horizontal slab planes, floor and ceiling, that become a midground element to the layer of silhouettes of the mango trees. The spatial program of the villa was done as linear series of spaces, starting with the lounge, gym space, minibar, and wet facilities to its ends. The villa is structured utilizing tubular steel and wide flange steel profiles for its framing. The sizing of these took into consideration the expected seismic activity of the region. The columns of the villa were placed at the perimeter of the structure to have the flexibility of space, while the interior envelope is set in to establish 2.8 meters at the perimeter to provide wide ceiling eaves as a passive protection against direct heat exposure and extreme weather. At the perimeter of the structure is a courtyard that centers on a wide fire pit at the front court of the gym. The fire pit is intended for bonfire events and has become a natural focal point in the approach of the gym. Here's a look at the plan. The minimalist profile of the glazing system enhanced the framed view of its surrounding vegetation, and by stacking the panels on ends integrated the interior space into the exterior courtyard as an expanded open layout. Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.